What is going on, guys? In this video, we're going to go over how Trump's tweets and how he basically affects the market and how he did it here. I'm just going to show you guys an example of exactly how he did it this past Friday. So with that being said, let's jump in over onto the computer.
I've been getting dirty money, Jordan Belfort. Stacking penny stocks while I'm flipping these birds. Sipping on Ciroc, trip 'em up with the words. I done popped the molly and I think it's be my third.
What is going on, guys? Here, I just want to jump into the computer. Before we actually get started here, I just want to remind you guys I do have a free chat room, completely free. I am actually active in this. I talk to you guys. We hang out over the weekend. We definitely had a couple of talks. We all went live on Instagram. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, go on ahead, follow the link in the description, and you guys can follow me over there. But with that being said, I really want to talk to you about one article that's really what affected everything. And I have it behind here. I didn't know I had it behind here. To be honest with you, we have so many windows open. So this is really how stocks can affect everything. And you guys can kind of read it. China, they wanted to ban China companies from it. And when it comes down to this, some people are like, oh my God, this isn't really a big deal. But it really is, because you have companies like Alibaba, which are absolutely huge companies in China and other countries that are really, really big companies, for instance. I'm not sure if Alibaba is actually located in China or Japan, but I think it's China. But anyways, you kind of get the point of it. So it kind of goes over some different things here. But you guys can see it's timestamped, the date and everything. So then you can go back and look at this and just kind of look at how much damage the fact that, because some of these companies were in were in major danger of actually being pulled off the stock exchange if some of these things went through. And that's a lot of their capital for new investments and stuff being pulled away from the stock exchange. So you just see that this huge red candle is really like one of the biggest things that would scare me. Going from 297.50 to, I mean, down here, I don't really count this. I mean, I guess you could, but I'm going to say 295.51. This is really just a long wick, so it wasn't down in here too long. But 296 even, that's still a huge fall in just 5 minutes. You can see, though, that it fell early in the morning because there was some bad news, popped back up a little bit, and then fell dramatically. Tried to push back up a little bit, save itself a little bit, and then just got crushed the rest of the day, guys. We're on a 5-minute chart. You can see that low is at 293.69, and the high's been 301, $300.01. So again, this is just from Friday, and it got crushed because of this news, exactly because of the news. And I think I got it behind it again. No, maybe I just lost it. Oh, here it is. So this news right here and a couple of other things, Chinese companies command a market capitalization of around $1.2 trillion, guys. That's how much. That is a ton of money right there. And that right there is that right there is why you see these big panics. So things like that. Now today, it's Monday. It actually did get taken back, basically saying the government basically said that that's not going to happen. So as you can see, we had a pretty good day over here on the market. Even after hours, it's up still. I got a bunch of lines from trading it today. Guys, I do trade SPY as well as some smaller stocks. Today was a slower day for small stocks. That's why I didn't trade as many of them. But this is just a perfect example of how news can really affect your trades. And again, we can just go back over here and just see this huge decline. Whether you're an options trader or you're just a stock trader, so if you're a stock trader, you're shorting it. If you're an options trader, you're buying puts on it because you could have made a tremendous amount of money. And now I know on Friday, I made a tremendous amount of money on this portion of it, guys. And that's just basically knowing the news that came out. I knew how it was going to affect the market, whether it was good and bad. It was obviously bad news for China and the overall market for us. I mean, it could have probably helped us maybe eventually, but right now it's really more of a landslide when you pull that much money out of the market. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Again, smash that like button. If you guys want to become part of the Discord, all you got to do is click on the link in the description, and I'd be more than happy to have you guys all in there and start conversations with me. I'm always here to help any of y'all. If you guys got any questions, comment them down below or join the Discord and ask them. I can make a video on it. But thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.